take a minute to show a test I made using the Learn My Test tool. So what you do is you enter in key terms that you need to know for your test. Then when you're done, you organize the key terms into categories that make sense to you. Once you're done organizing your terms into categories, then you can enter in differences between terms in the same category to give you a higher level of understanding. Throughout the whole process of doing this, you're learning the material. And then Learn My Test takes this information and uses it to generate a practice test on what you've just learned. When you're finished with the practice test, you click OK. It'll give you your results of the test, and then you can click on View All Results. And if you organize the test results into categories, you can see your results on each of the categories and focus your next test on the categories you don't know as well. So maximizing study time. So see, I made 100 on operant conditioning, so that I'm not going to focus on that test for the next one.
Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to do a bibliography page on Microsoft Word. So this is the article that I want to cite. So what I'm going to do is on my Microsoft Word document, I'm going to go to the references page here. And you're going to want to make sure that it's in APA format, and then you're going to go ahead and click Manage Sources. And so my current source is a journal article. So I'm going to find the authors here, and you can see right here their names are Kim. So the last name is Kim, and the first initial starts with a Y. And then I'm going to put a period and then a semicolon, and then this is L-I-U and Y is the first name, so I'm going to put there, and then the last name is S-H-A-N-Z, comma, Z, period, and then another semicolon. And so then the title of the paper should be right here, so I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste the title. Sometimes it doesn't do it. Social media use. Attachment and psychological well-being. And then the journal name is usually up here somewhere, so that's telematics and informatics. And then the year should be somewhere in the top. So we see here there's the 2017. So I'm going to put 2017 right there. And then the page numbers also are at the top, so it's 895 through 903. And then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So now I have a citation for my article. And so what I'm going to do is go in my article, and anywhere I cite that article, I'm just going to go to Insert Citation, and I can click here, and it'll insert the citation for me. And so anytime you cite, you use an article, you're going to want to insert the citation. Now, to do your bibliography page, you're just going to go to the end of your paper, and you'll click on this link here, bibliography, and then you can select any one of these three, and it will generate the citation for you. Pretty easy, right? Remember, the best way to study is to take practice tests. If you can't find good practice tests, build your own and learn while you do it using the Learn My Test study tool. It's absolutely free at www.learnmytest.com. And remember to check our growing list of test banks for one in your field of study.